He woke up to its biggest snowfall in nearly 4 years. While the storm didn't dump quite as much snow as forecasters predicted, it still caused major headaches for travelers and drivers throughout the region. From flight cancellations to icy roads, the first big winter storm of the season brought chaos to the Northeast. Allie Bauman has the details.
Today, crews de-iced planes and cleared runways at New York City's Kennedy Airport. The snowstorm caused significant delays and disruptions at all three major airports serving the region.
The day's not over yet. I could see it getting delayed and delayed, possibly canceled.
More than 400 flights have been canceled, around 1,000 delayed, as a record number of Americans try to get home after the holidays.
Our flight got delayed. We just had to rebook, and we took about an hour to figure out how we were going to get here.
This was the Northeast's first big snowstorm of the season. It dropped up to a foot of snow in some areas and made roads treacherous. In the west, the snow is piling up in the Sierras. Up to 5 feet of it stopped traffic on several high-elevation highways near Lake Tahoe.
We had to dig some of the cars out and create a turnaround because they weren't bringing any plows up there.
Southern California is drying out from a record-setting Christmas storm, now blamed for at least 4 deaths. The damage to property from flooding and mudslides still being added up.
Here in the Northeast, the concern now turns to black ice and slick roads. There will be 700 salt spreaders driving around throughout the night in New York City alone. Allie Bauman, CBS News, New York.